The future is here. Self-healing materials.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of self-healing materials. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to mimic nature's self-healing ability in man-made materials or technology? Well, the answer is yes. And we're here to explore this exciting development in materials science.
What are self-healing materials?
Self-healing materials are a class of smart materials that have the intrinsic ability to repair damage caused to them, thereby extending their lifetime. Just like our bodies can heal small cuts and bruises on their own, these materials are designed to automatically repair damages without external intervention. This doesn't involve magic or wishful thinking, but rather the application of advanced chemistry and material science.
How do self-healing materials work?
How do these materials accomplish self-healing? This process is accomplished in several ways, and it largely depends on the material in question. Here are a few common techniques. 1. Microencapsulation. Healing agents, essentially chemicals that can repair the material, are encapsulated in tiny microcapsules. When the material is damaged, these capsules break, releasing the healing agent, which reacts to cure the damage. 2. Vascular systems. In these materials, networks of tubules filled with healing agents are embedded. When damage occurs, the healing agent is released, much like blood flows to a wound. 3. Inherent material properties. Certain materials can inherently reform broken chemical bonds. This happens under specific conditions like heat or light exposure. The key here is that these processes happen automatically, significantly increasing the material's lifespan and durability.
What are the applications of self-healing materials?
Self-healing materials have a wide range of potential applications. They can be used in electronics. Self-healing conductive materials can repair broken circuits, leading to longer-lasting devices. Construction. Using self-healing concrete or coatings can prevent infrastructure degradation over time. Aerospace. Self-healing materials can help maintain the integrity of spacecraft in the harsh conditions of space. This technology has the potential to revolutionize these fields and many more, offering long-lasting and sustainable solutions. As we can see, the ability to mimic self-healing in man-made materials and technology is not just a dream, but a reality. Researchers are continuously working on improving these materials, expanding their potential uses, and making them more efficient and affordable. By taking cues from nature and utilizing our understanding of chemistry and materials science, we're able to design the materials of the future, materials that can heal themselves. We hope this video has helped you understand the intriguing world of self-healing materials. Thanks for joining us today.